It's the day before Mother's Day, and I'm just going to, well, maybe when I post this, it will be Mother's Day. I'm just going to share with you some tips and tricks, some of my favorite products to refresh. This is the dry shampoo from Captain Blankenship. I've had this forever because I only use it on occasion when my hair is just a little bit greasy. I just put it in. It smells amazing and really good at just giving you a quick refresh and helping to add some volume back in the hair when you're dealing with some greasiness, but you're not quite to shower yet. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is freshen up my brows. You're going to take your brow brush, brush your hairs straight up. And then take a nice little pair of scissors. It's a little bit tricky to do in my camera, but you're just going to snip across the top of those brushed up hairs and brush it off your face. Brush straight up and snip across the top. Just kind of gets rid of any longer, more unruly hairs. I hardly ever fill in my brows anymore, even though I do like the way it looks, but don't super need to most of the time. Next, we're just gonna wash our face. Honestly, my favorite thing that I've discovered recently is how versatile the Sapo Hill soaps are. I really prefer the Oregon Berry, but got oatmeal scent, and I get the bulk pack because it's just a lot cheaper to do it that way. So yeah, they're great soaps. I've recently discovered it works well for me as a hair soap, as a shampoo, which is really great because I was struggling with a lot of dandruff, but this seems to be calming my scalp down. And I was using the berry scent for that as well, but I'll be kind of excited to use the oatmeal one and see if that is even better for my scalp. So I'm just honestly going to use this soap for my face too. Normally I would do that in the shower. And then this is a rose water and glycerin, literally just those two things. Half a cup of rose water, quarter cup of glycerin, shake it to mix, and it's made a great moisturizer so far. In the bowl. And while my face is still wet from washing, show me dada.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this on my face. Another tip is to use a flat weave cotton towel so that you're not roughing up your skin. And also, I have found this to be really great to help protect my curls when I'm just scrunching water out of them after showering. So after I pat it dry a little bit, I'm just going to add a little tiny bit more. Don't forget the neck. And there's our refresh.